Think about it. How many times have you set a goal only to lose motivation after a few weeks? That's because the habit wasn't structured correctly. In the full program, I'll show you a proven way to pick the right behaviors using the impact effort matrix. So you're not just choosing what sounds good, but what actually fits into your life and what guarantees success. Trust me, this isn't just another set a goal and hope for the best approach. This is a science-backed, real-world method that I have used with my clients, and it works. It's the reason people go from feeling stuck and frustrated to finally following through on the habits they never thought they could. The best tools are in the full program, and trust me, they'll make the difference between starting and actually succeeding. So here's my invitation to you. Join the full YouHabits course today. You will get access to the most important steps for making habits last. I'll guide you through how to pick habits that actually work for your life, how to create a foul-proof habit loop so your habits become automatic, and 3, how to adjust habits when life throws you curveballs so you never feel like you have to start all over again. You also get exclusive coaching directly from me. This is an incredible opportunity. No other self-help course offers a board-certified psychiatrist, therapist, and coach to help you change your behavior. Plus, the full course includes interactive assignments, fun quizzes, and engaging exercises designed to keep you motivated. Check out the webpage for all the amazing benefits we packed into this course, and we're constantly adding more. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you're ready to finally build habits that last, click the link below to enroll now. Don't just start strong, finish strong, and create a life that aligns with what truly matters to you. Now let's do it together.